Hi Home Barista, with me again, Stephanus from Ace Home Barista. Now, I know it's been a while I haven't made any video. I truly apologize for that. And by the way, a lot of people has been asking me about this beautiful machine. It's small, it's cute, but it works. It does the job. It provides one of the best espresso I have ever tasted. So without any further ado, here is my full review about Lelit Glenda PL41PLUST. That's for temperature. Alright guys, Glenda comes with one box of accessories. We have plastic tamper, only heaven knows why all Italian machine has this, which is practically useless. And single basket to scoop your coffee. I don't understand why we need that as well. Of course, we have double spout portafilter with a double filter basket. So this is for 18 grams and this is about 9 grams the most. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this. Not sure for how long. Could be forever. First of all, this portafilter is kind of a classic one. Goes out to the sides with the Lelit. Can you guys see this? Lelit logo here, writings. It's good. It's heavy. It's really nice. Now about the machine, it's so shiny, it's so nice. Really, I'm finding a hard time to take a picture of this because it's been reflecting my whole house. Now this is the cover. Swipe it up. It's easy to clean, really. Nice and shiny. If you want to move tray is right there. I know it's made of plastic. You're probably wondering it must be very cheap stuff. Well, I guess so. It's not exactly the most expensive machine from Lelit. How are we gonna operate this? We have one hole, tip of steam. This is already like multi-directional, left and right, up and down. You wanna turn it the other way or whatever way you want it to be. On this side, up to you if you have constraint with space. Now there are two rocket switch here which I like. It's kind of classic and it's quite macho as well. It has its own touch. This is the pump, just to activate on and off. On, off. This is to switch between the mode. This is, I'm at coffee mode. I wanna put in the middle is where I pump into the boiler. And this is where I switch it into steam mode. You can see both lights are on now and temperature is about to rise. So we don't want to go there yet. Okay, before we make coffee. Let me just explain to you what we have here. We already have built-in PID. So what it does is that program, and you go up and down. Now you can go up all the way. Now you can see, now it's so high, automatically the machine, the heating element is on. It's on. But when I bring it down, it's off, because it knows we're going for 92. Ooh, it was already 98, 99. Oh boy, it was really super fast. Now let's make some coffee. I prepared this 18 grams, so we don't waste much time. I like to on my grinder and then just alright, if you're wondering what, or maybe you already know what grinder is this. Yep. It's DF64. That's the job. Now I forgot. When we preheat, we're supposed to fix this on the group head. It's very important. I'm gonna run some water, make it a bit hot. Right. Okay, let's begin. All right. I'm aiming for 36, perhaps. Oops. Okay, that was 39. In about 28, 29 seconds. Are you guys able to see this? That is one yummy thick crema. Let me try to sip it. Yeah, man, I really have to be honest with you. It works, it does the job, and it tastes great, just as I expected. Let's try to make some cappuccino, all right? Let me just switch this to steam mode. Both indicators are now on. Both light indicators are on. Temperature. It's gonna heat up. It's gonna heat up really fast. Temperature is rising up really fast. 120, 122. So what is the temperature that we are aiming for? I would say about 135 at least. All right, stopping. It's right there, 135. So I'm gonna purge this. Ooh, it's hot. All right, this is not full touch. All right, that's good enough. Now I'm gonna froth. Maybe I'll adjust the camera a bit. Okay, I think that's should do. Ooh. Wow, man, it's really super strong. It's powerful. It's much stronger than I thought. I'm holding it. Temperature down now is 120. I can see the light heating indicator is on. Struggling. 118. Now it's super hot. Okay, I think that's about it. Okay, so I just want to show you that temperature is now 124, 125. It was quite low, down to 118, but then the heating element is on. You can see the light was on. It's struggling to pick up again. So it was 118, then it goes up to, oops, be careful, it's hot. So normally what I need is I need some hot water. I just flush out, and it's should be easier to clean up the spout. So anyway, let me just try to make some latte art. I'm gonna use this. Let me adjust the camera again. I'm gonna use the Lelit cup. Let me just pour this in. You guys able to see this? So to be honest with you, at the top is a bit too much of a foam, so I just keep spinning around like this. Or if you are not happy with this, you can always pour a bit. When you pour out a bit, you pour out the top layer which has excess foam. Now we're ready, I guess. This way. There you go. So that's cappuccino. Really nice, foamy. Let me drink it. Texture is just perfect. Ah, man, I love it. So there you go. That's Glenda. I like this. This is my fourth wife. Glenda is certainly a powerful machine. It's a vibration pump. Now you have to be careful. It's a vibration pump. It was a bit noisy, but it was okay. Everything was rattling, but I think it was fine. I like this nice, glossy, shiny stainless steel. Spout, the steam one is just great. It's you can adjust as you like. The temperature here, PID is already there. You don't need any modification. It's just great, man. I couldn't ask for anything So if you're making like 1 or 2 cups a day, this is more than enough. This is more than enough. With a good grinder, you can simply brew any kind of coffee out there, and you can start your journey with Lelit. Alright, so that's my review about Lelit Glenda. Thank you for patronizing this channel once again. And if you haven't, and if this is your first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Ciao!